Okay, lesson 3, function. Before you begin, please make sure you understand the keywords for this lesson. While traditional grammar is mostly about class, in functional grammar, both class and function are important. Class words, such as noun and verb, tell us about what the words are. Think about this sentence. A koala eats half a kilogram of leaves each day. We can combine single words to make groups, as in these examples. This example shows the different classes of groups. So a koala is a nominal group, eats is a verbal group, half a kilogram of leaves is a nominal group, and each day is also a nominal group. Functional grammar looks both at the class, what the words are, and the function, what the words do. In the sentence, a koala is not just a nominal group, it is something that participates in an event. So, a koala has the function of participant. Prepositional phrases are slightly different from groups. A prepositional phrase is a preposition with a noun or nominal group. In this example, from a few varieties of eucalypt is the prepositional phrase. In the sentence, the prepositional phrase is circumstantial information about the event. So it has the function of circumstance. There is no one-to-one relationship between class and function. The same function can be expressed by different classes, and the same class can express different functions. And remember, there are 3 higher functions of language, not just one. The participant belongs to just one of the higher functions of language, the experiential function. In Lesson 7, we will look at other experiential functions. But in the next lesson, you will learn how classes are ranked.